Hey guys, Brian here. I'm at the Disney Character Warehouse at the Sawgrass Mills Mall in Sunrise, Florida, which is in South Florida. I've not been here in months vlogging. The last two times I came, I did not even vlog because all the merchandise they had was really old. A lot of it was before the pandemic. So let's go inside, see if they finally have anything new. All right, join me. Let's go. Well, they have a lot of Star Wars here. These are really tiny, just to give you an idea. I'll put my hand there so you can see how small they are. So that looks like it could fit on your belt or something, and it's $44.99, which does not seem like Character Warehouse price. Oh no, what got? Oh no, $40. That's $40. In the Millennium Falcon, which is bigger, that's $44.99. That's kind of cool too. See how it's raised? It's pretty awesome. And jersey is normally $49.99. It's just $19.99. And I've seen these at the park for the full price. This bounty hunter shirt's usually $36.99. It's just $14.99. This shirt has been here for about a year. It's $24.99. Normally $59.99. Been here a long time. Now the pins, I've never noticed this before. Trading pins and accessories, daily limit of 10 of each style per guest. And there's some here that are really, I like this one. Republic Navy with an X-Wing on it. Troop Leader, these are patches. And they have these pin sets. Pin set is $14.99, normally $27.99. Now this is awesome. A Batu patch. $3.99, normally $9.99. Now that's a pretty good deal. And then these hair bows with R2. I'm glad they're R2 and not BB-8. I feel like they really let us down with R2, replacing him with BB-8. $9.99, normally $14.99. Now that I like. It's an orange bird mug, but $12.99, that doesn't seem like Character Warehouse prices to me, but I like that orange bird mug a lot. They have Lion King. And there's the paddle boat. Is that the boat that takes you in to the park? Or the Rivers of America? Do you guys know? Let me know in the comments. But they have a ton of these mugs. You stand back. Hey, enough mugs to go around. And this I've seen at the parks, the Rise of Skywalker, X-Wing there. And I've never seen it out of the box though. And it is really cool. $79.99 is a little much, but it's nice. Check it out. And that's some real detail. We have a Lando Calrissian Plush, $14.99. I thought for a minute that was Worf from Star Trek with the yellow shirt, but it's Lando. And that's Finn. He's $14.99 too. I've seen these at the Emporium at Epcot. The DO, he's $7.99. It doesn't give me the regular price, and I can't remember what they are at the Emporium, but I know they're not $7.99 there for sure. These cups are marked $24.99. Looks like a regular price to me too. Maybe they just haven't marked it down yet. And they have a lot of them. Now this is something I've not seen before. Do you know what this is? It's Jabba the Hutt. Jabba the Hutt plushie, $14.99. Looks like him. I didn't pick up right away until I saw the sign who it was though. Baby Yoda is everywhere. This is $24.99, regular price $49.99. It's in kid sizes. And still, you know, they really haven't come out with something with Baby Yoda, so far as merchandise goes, that's really spectacular that I've seen. It all pretty much looks the same. This is really nice. It's $19.99. It doesn't give us the regular price, but you've got R2-D2, BB-8, and Dio. Although Dio's a little small there for little kids, 4 and up. I don't know if I'd give a 4-year-old that little thing. But I do like it. Can you guess who this is? This is Watto from the Phantom Menace. Watto plushie, $12.99. This has been in here for a long time. In fact, I think this was here before COVID. It's $25.99. Of course, it's from Solo. This is a shirt I would love to buy if they had it in adult sizes. It's $9.99 only for kids. Raiders of the Lost Ark. I have not seen that shirt in a long, long time. Oh, man. I would definitely buy it if it was in adult sizes. I'd buy a couple of them, actually. This is not Baby Yoda. This is the real Yoda. $14.99 for the Yoda plush. And they have a whole box of them. This is really awesome, okay? This is a Chewbacca phone case for iPhone X and XS. I have a 12. It doesn't fit mine. It's normally $35, and it's just $7.99. And if you can tell, it's all furry. Look at that. Is that wild? I've not seen that before. These pins are really amazing, okay? This first one here, Dio and BB-8, is $9.99. R2 here, he is $12.99. And this is $12.99. That is really nice. I've not seen any of these before. They have really unloaded Galaxy's Edge here. Look at this. Chewbacca. These are all $5.99, by the way. What does this say? Oh, Black Spire Outpost. Wow. And that's heavy. Rise of the Resistance. Oh, I like that. Isn't that nice, a 3PO? Oh, check it out. Look at the TIE Fighter. That is really nice. That's my favorite Chewbacca. Oh, I take that back. Millennium Falcon. Oh, that is great. Guess how much this one is. Oops, just fell off the thing. $5.99 too. Even the one that just fell? Oh, it fell under there somewhere. I don't see it. But they have others. It's not the only one. They have a whole bunch of them. Wow, they had a lot of new merch, especially from Galaxy's Edge, which I don't normally see here. Looks like they did a bit of a smuggler's run, doesn't it? Like they took a truck right to Galaxy's Edge, loaded it up, and drove it right here to the character warehouse at the Sawgrass Mills Mall in Sunrise. A lot of good stuff. The prices, for the most part, were pretty good. Some of it wasn't really discounted too much, but a lot of it was. So definitely worth the trip to the character warehouse here at the Sawgrass Mills Mall. If you like the video, make sure you like it. Subscribe if you're new. My name's Brian. I'll see you next time.